This is my cell. It is a eukaryotic cell and represents a general animal cell. We'll start with the cell wall and cell membrane, which is the green. And it is made of a phospholipid bilayer and is selectively permeable, which means only small molecules can go in on their own, and larger molecules will need help from special proteins or channels. Next is the nucleus and DNA, which is the blue right here. See the light blue nucleus and the dark blue the DNA. And the nucleus is the control system of the cell, and the DNA is what holds our genetics. Next is the endoplasmic reticulum, or for short the ER, which is the yellow that we see here. And there are two different types. The rough ER, which is the ones with the ribosomes, that's represented in white. It's a folded membrane, and it produces new proteins. And the rough ER is what helps transport the proteins. It transports newly synthesized proteins to specific destinations, and the smooth ER is the site of lipid production, which is the plain yellow site without the ribosomes. And next are the ribosomes, which you see here are in white. And they are they're what synthesize the proteins that's important to the cell function. And next, the Golgi apparatus, which is right here in purple. And they are what's called the packaging plant. They are also known as the processing center and become the shipping center of the cell, where they receive and repack proteins that are produced by the ER. And the proteins arrive there in little sacs or vesicles and are processed and repackaged to new vesicles. Next are the mitochondria, which is the red part right here. And they are the power plants of the cell. They extract energy from food and then they convert it to other usable forms of energy. Next are the lysosome, which is the yellow here. And they're full of digestive enzymes. They're also known as the recycling centers of the cell. And yeah, they pretty much digest and recycle molecules. And lastly is the solid black part, which we see here. It's known as the cytoplasm, and it's just the water fluids in the cell that allows the organelles to flow through in the cell. And that is it.